Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Unfog with Dr. Atahar Parveen. Friends, as we all know that Karnataka Teacher Eligibility Test, that is Karnataka TET or Karnataka TET as we call, this exam is going to be conducted online from 2025. We have been discussing about it since long time, right? Now this has been published in this Vijayavani newspaper also, as I am showing you the article of this published paper. See, earlier it was offline on OMR sheets. You used to take the answers, right? But now government has taken this decision, as is told by the officials. The online exams is being planned to be conducted in CBT mode or online mode because they want to bring more transparency and fairness in the exam, and also because of this online exam the results can be published soon, like other exams in railways and banking, all those are already in online, right? Like that only they want to shift TET also to this CBT mode. Now, as we all know that school education department will be in charge of all this, but then they will take help of some outside agency just to conduct the test. But registration, results and marks, all that will be managed by school education department only. Then in this article they have mentioned that every year 2.5 to 3 lakh candidates they write this TET exam, and in 2023 around 2.7 lakh aspirants appeared, and in 2024 around 2.45 lakh aspirants appeared this exam. Now this year also similar numbers are expected. In fact, more number of aspirants should be expected because now Supreme Court also told that TET is compulsory for everyone, right? Even for the teachers who are in service also. So that's why friends, take the TET of 2025 as a golden opportunity, because you never know, in future they may make TET compulsory for any of the teacher recruitment related job in government, right? So that's why friends, if you are aspirants who are eligible to write Karnataka TET, don't miss this chance at any cost. You should start preparing and you should apply this time. You should make sure that you qualify TET this time. This should be your strongest aim this year. Okay. See, some aspirants are getting scared because of this online pattern of the exam. Friends, we believe that it will be more easy for you when you compare to the offline exam. Nowadays, so many aspirants are in social media also, right? When you can handle Instagram, Twitter, Facebook and all that, why not you write the exam in the online mode? Why should you be scared of it? It will be very easy, believe me. In fact, this thing will be good for you. Because of this online exam, your results will come faster. The exam will be conducted in a more fair way. There will be no chance of cheating at all. And having said that, I think it will be challenging for the department because managing online exam in all district is not easy. Let us see how they are going to plan. It will be very interesting to know it also. Maybe they will conduct like CTET, that is the centers will be allocated in only the important big cities of the state maybe. So let us see how it will happen. All that we will come to know only after notification. Now what I was telling is that why is the CBT online exam more better for us? See, in CBT you just have to click the correct answer using the mouse, and then you scroll down, you submit the answer, then go for the next question. It is very easy. In fact, CBT mode is better than OMR because here in CBT mode you can change your answers anytime before final submission. You can move back and forth between the questions. You can leave the question, go front, and then again come back and tick there. Maybe if you find that the question which you gave the answer is wrong, you want to correct that answer back, you can easily come and you can change the answer. In OMR sheet that option will not be there, right? Once you fill the bubble, it is gone. You cannot come and change the answer. But here in online mode, you will have that opportunity to go and change your answer. And also, I have a strong gut feeling that because they are conducting online exam this time for the first time in the history of Karnataka, when we talk about TET, they will surely, I am 99% sure that they will give the easy question paper this time, because they know that conducting online exam for the first time is a big deal only. Aspirants may be scared because of it, so they will make sure that they will give easy question paper this time. So you should grab this golden opportunity and anyhow qualify TET, because you all know this is the first step towards your teacher recruitment exams now. So that's why please take this thing seriously, and if you have any doubt, please make sure that you ask your doubt either in the comment section below this video or in our Telegram group. You will get the link of our Telegram group and Telegram channel below this video. So right now, keep yourself motivated and start preparing. We are here to help you always. Thank you. All the best. Bye.